Investing can feel like a maze. Charts, coins, warnings, and a million opinions flying at you. But the truth is, most people aren't bad at investing. They're just asking the wrong questions. Try to learn ETFs, then stocks, then crypto, and suddenly you're drowning in tabs and videos.
You watch a lot, but nothing really clicks. Because beginners don't know how to break it down, how to compare ETFs, how to research a stock, how to apply is, how to understand crypto risk, and how to build a simple plan that actually fits their goals. That's where AI helps, if you ask it the right way. One good question can turn confusion into clarity. You can ask things like, explain this ETF like I'm 12, or compare two investments like a coach. What could go wrong if I buy Bitcoin? Or build me a simple weekly investing plan, and it breaks everything down into real-world examples.
But most people don't know what to ask, so they get vague answers.
Why I made a beginner investing prompt pack. ETF prompts, stock research prompts, crypto safety prompts, and portfolio builder prompt.
You literally copy, paste, and get personalized investing education in minutes.
Grab the prompt pack in the bio, then stop guessing and start investing smarter. I hope I gave you some insight. Bye!